We are an altar of broken stones, but you delight in the offering. You have the heavens to call your home, but you abide in the song we sing. 10,000 angels surround your throne to bring you praise that will never cease. But hallelujah from here below is still your favorite melody. Oh, we sing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. We sing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. And should the fire that once burned bright become an ember my eyes can't see, I will remember your sacrifice. I will abide in your love for me. Oh, we sing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. We sing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. We sing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, Jesus Christ, our King enthroned, all the praise is yours forevermore. Hallelujah, here below, all the praise is yours forevermore. Oh, what a wonderful day to come, when every knee bows before your throne. But we will not stop until it does, for here and now shall your kingdom reign.